Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the next concept. We are going to think about the last point of the chapter, that is word problems. There are different type of word problems. From that, first point is solution of problems involving quadratic equation. Okay, application of quadratic equations for solving problems on numbers. For solving problems on numbers. Next time we will see speed, distance, and time. Like that, some parts are there. So from that, today we are going to think about the first point. Okay. So what is the first problem? See carefully. The sum of the squares of two consecutive natural numbers is 313. Find the numbers. Okay, the sum of the squares of two consecutive natural numbers are is 330. Find the numbers. Okay, very simple. Such type of problems you have solved before this. Okay, so natural numbers are there. They are asking. So first, what we will do? Let the natural numbers are always positive because it starts from 1. Okay, so let the natural numbers be x and consecutive natural numbers. So second will be x and x plus 1. Now they have told us the sum of the squares. So we have to do this addition of this and this after taking its square. So x square, according to the question, x square plus 1 bracket square is equal to 330. Sum of the squares of two consecutive natural numbers is 330. Find the number. So this is x square plus x plus 1 bracket square is equal to 330. Okay. So this is our required equation. Okay. After solving this, you will get a quadratic equation. Just we have to factorize it. Understood? So see carefully. X square plus 1 plus 2x is equal to 330. So x square plus x square will be 2x square plus 2x 330 plus 1 minus 330 is equal to 0. So 2x square plus 2x minus 312 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is our required quadratic equation. Okay, so now see here, all the three terms are divisible by 2. Okay, so we can take its reduced form. So what we can do, if I will divide all the three terms by 2, then what I will get? Here I will divide by 2, then I will get x square plus x minus, if here I will divide, then what I will get? 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, and 2 6 are 156. X square plus x minus 156. Okay, so now we have to factorize it. Okay, so minus 156 we need to factorize. Okay, so the sum should come 1. Okay, plus 1. So factors are 13 and 12. Okay, you can check 30 to the 26, 6 to carry, 13 ones are 30 plus 2. 15. Okay, so this is the right way. So plus 30 and minus 12. So x square plus 13x minus 12x minus 156 is equal to 0. Okay, so now from this we will take x common, x plus 13 minus 12 we will take common, x plus 13. Okay, 12 ones are 12, 12 threes are 36. So x plus 13 is the first bracket and second bracket is x minus 12. Okay, so you will get finally x is equal to minus 13, or x is equal to plus 2. Okay, so this can't be the value of x because that is natural number. Okay, and this is negative number. Okay, so x is equal to 13 is not possible. So x is equal to 12. So the required natural numbers are x is equal to 12 and x plus 1 is equal to 30. 12 plus 1 is 30. So 12 and 13 are the required natural numbers. Okay. Okay, second problem is the sum of two numbers is 15. If the sum of their reciprocals is 3 by 10, find the numbers. Okay, so here what is given, see, according to the given condition, the sum of two numbers is 15. Okay, so let the first number be x. Okay, so second number, what will be the second number? Second number will be, first number is x, then second number will be, because sum of that both the numbers is 15. Okay, second number will be 15 minus x. Second number is 15 minus x. Okay, if the sum of their reciprocals, okay, sum of their reciprocals, so what is the reciprocal of x? 1 by x. Sum of the, according to the question, 1 by x plus 1 upon 15 minus x is equal to, if the sum of their reciprocal is 3 by 10, find the numbers. Okay, so this equation will give you a quadratic equation which we need to solve, nothing else. So here we will make denominator same, 15 minus x into 1, 15 minus x plus x upon product of these two x, 15 minus x is equal to 3 by 10. Okay, here plus x minus x will be cancelled, so remain 15 upon 15x minus x square is equal to 3 by 10. Now we will have a cross multiplication, so I am taking this 15 into 10 is equal to 3 into 15x minus x square. Okay, so this will be 150 is equal to 53 are 45 x minus 3 x square, 45x minus 3x square. Okay, so this, if I am taking this side, then this will be positive 3x square, this will be minus 45x, and this will be 1 plus 150 is equal to 0. Which we have taken in the form of ax square plus bx plus the standard term. Okay, so now see, all the three terms are divisible by 3. So if you will take that, it will be easy to find out the factors. Okay, so x square minus 25 divided by 3 is 15x plus 3 5s are 50 is equal to 0. Okay, so we have a quadratic equation and that we need to factorize. So factors of 50 we have to find out in such a way, the sum should come minus 50. Okay, so you will get 10 5s are 15, minus 10 minus 5 will be minus 10, minus 5 will give minus 50, and minus 5 into minus 10 will be plus 50. Okay, so that is the right way. So I am taking that x square minus 10x minus 5x plus 50. So from this you will take x common, x minus 10, from this you will take 5 common, x minus 5 tens are 50. So your first bracket is x minus 10, second bracket is x minus 5. So x is equal to 10 or x is equal to 5. Okay, so what is the question? The sum of the two numbers is 15. If the sum of the reciprocal is 3 by 10, find the numbers. So numbers we have 10 and 5. So sum of the both numbers is 10 plus 5 is 15. Okay, and sum of the reciprocals is 3 by 10. You can check, you cross check your answer by taking this reciprocal of this. Okay, so this is the solution of this problem. Okay, see here our third word problem is the sum of a number and its reciprocal is 2 integer 1 by 30. Find the number. Okay, so sum of a number and its reciprocal only we need to take. So here in solution, what will let the number be? Let the number be x. Okay. sum of number and its reciprocal. Okay, so according to the question, sum of the numbers x plus 1 by x is equal to 2 integer 1 by 30. Okay, that is given, sum is given. So x into x, x square plus 1 upon x is equal to 30 to the 60, 60 plus 1, 61 by 30. Okay, so we will cross multiply here. 30 into x square, 30x square plus 30 is equal to 61x. Okay, 30x square plus 30 is equal to 61x. So that I am taking here 30x square minus 61x plus 30 is equal to 0. Okay, so now 30 into 30 will be 900. 30 into 30 is 900. 900 we need to factorize in such a way the sum of both the factors should be minus 60, should become minus 60. Okay, so 900 we need to factorize, so factors and 61. Okay, so factors are 36, 25. 36, 25. Okay, so both the numbers should have minus sign. Okay, and product C 25, 6, 15, 90. Okay, so product is coming plus 900 and the sum is 6 plus 5, 11, so 61. Okay, this is the correct thing. If any confusion you will get here, so that time you can use quadratic formula also. Okay, and by quadratic formula also you will get the factors. So now I am putting the factors for the middle term. So 30x square minus 36x minus 25x plus 30 is equal to 0. So from this what we can take common, and from this we can take common, we can take 6 common from this. 6x, so 6 5s are 30, 5x minus 6 6 are 36. Here you can take 5 common, 5 5s are 25 minus 5 6 are 30 is equal to 0. So your first bracket is 5x minus 6 and second bracket is 6x minus 5. Okay, so our first thing is, first 5x is equal to 6 or 6x is equal to 5. So x is equal to 6 upon 5 or x is equal to 5 upon 6. Okay, find the number. So either the value of x is 6 by 5 or 5 by 6. Okay, both in both the conditions this will be satisfied. Okay, nothing else we are doing, just we are factorizing by splitting middle term. Okay, nothing else. What is important here? You need to prepare equation according to the given things. That is the important thing. Once you will get this, further you can solve. Okay, here one more example we are going to see. A 2-digit number is such that the product of the digits is 14. When 45 is added to the number, then the digits are reversed. Find the numbers. Okay, see here a 2-digit number. There is a 2-digit number, so definitely ones place and tens place. We need to think about that. A 2-digit number is such that the product of the digit is 14. Okay, so what we will consider first, let the tens place be x. If at tens place x is there, then what will be in its place? Unit place or ones place will be unit place is equal to what will come? 14 by x. Why 14 by x? Because product of this such that the product of the digit is 14. So when you will take product x multiplied by 14 by x, that time 14 is going to be. So according to the condition, we have taken tens place x and unit place 14 by x. Okay, so that 2-digit number, how the 2-digit number will form? 2-digit number, original 2-digit number is equal to, this is at tens place, so and this is at ones place. So ones place 14 by x and tens place x is there, so we need to multiply by 10. We need to multiply by 10. Okay, because this number formation is there, this is 10's place, we will multiply by 10, 1's place, we will multiply by 1. Okay, so this is the original number 10x plus 14 by x. Okay, now what they are asking, when 45 is added to the number, then the digits are reversed. So first we will think about the reverse digits. Okay, so after reversing digits, after reversing this is at 1's place here, this that will come at 10's place. So 14 by x plus this x will go at 1's place. X will go at 1's place. Understood? 14 by x here and x is at 1's place. So here we need to multiply by 10. So what we will get? 140 by x plus x. After reversing we will get this. This is original number. Okay. Now we will think about the second statement. When 45 is added to the number means this is the original number. So we will add 45 here. Okay. So 10x plus 14 by x plus 45 is added to the number. Then the digits are reversed. Is this will get 140 upon x plus x. This is the required equation. So we need to solve this now. Okay. So 10x into x will be 10x square plus 14 plus 45 into x will be 45x divided by x is equal to 140 plus x into x square divided by x. So this x will be cancelled. Now we will collect the like terms. 10x square, this x square we will take here x square plus 45x plus 40 minus 140 is equal to 0. Okay, so 10x square minus x square will be 9x square. 45x will remain as it is 45x. 140 minus 140. Okay, so 140 we need to subtract 140. So it will be 126 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is quadratic equation. So further, all the three terms are divisible by 9. So we can divide by 9. So x square plus 9 5s are 45, 5x, 9 1s are 9, remain 3 36, 9 4s are 36, 14. Okay, so 14 we need to factorize, minus 14 we need to factorize, sum should come 5. Okay, so 7 to the 4, 7 minus 14, 7 to the 14, we need plus 5, so greater number, this will have negative sign. Okay, here many students have mistakes, so this is important. If not possible, directly take outside and then put here, no problem. So x square plus 7x minus 2x minus 14 is equal to 0. So you will take x common from this, x plus 7 minus 2, x plus 7 is equal to 0. So x plus 7 and another bracket x minus 2, x plus 7 and x minus 2. Okay, so here I am taking now x plus 7 and x minus 2. So x is equal to minus 7 or x is equal to plus 2. Okay, so a digit or two-digit number is such that the product of the digit is 14. When 45 is added to the number, then the digits are reversed. Find the number. So x is equal to 2. So now we will consider here what we will do. We will consider. Okay, we will consider x is equal to 2. So now what is our original number? 10x. So number is two-digit number. 10x plus 40 by x. So 10 into 2 plus 40 by 2. So 20 plus 40 by 2 is 7. So 27. 27 is the required answer. Okay, got it everyone? So today we have to solve all the sums from the video also once again and the given worksheet. Thank you very much.